Hi, my name is Armin Morin, and thank you so much for finding out more information about re-expansion. What I want to talk to you about today is a brand new system that defies marketing logic, and this breakthrough system turns one visitor into possibly 10 or more customers by simply expanding upon what you should be doing already. And the best part is, once you see it, you can't unsee it. Now, I thought I've seen everything. For the past 20 years, I've been marketing full-time online in a very, very big way. We've done hundreds of millions of dollars in sales, and quite honestly, I thought I've seen every marketing strategy that's ever existed in one way, shape, or form. But boy, I was wrong. I haven't seen everything. You see, just recently at 3:20 a.m., a thought changed everything for me. Now, first of all, you have to understand, I do my best work at night. And the reason is my family is sleeping, the phones are quiet, and I can focus on my projects much, much better. But during one recent late night work session, I saw something I've seen a million times, but something that night was totally different. And maybe I was different, or at least I looked at it from a different perspective than I ever did before. And what I saw was an ad. Now, I know what you're thinking. He saw an ad. Woohoo, big deal. Well, you're right. Everyone sees ads. You see ads every single day online. Now, this ad you've seen before is called a retargeting ad or a remarketing ad. Now, a retargeting and a remarketing ad is basically the same thing. It's just some people we prefer to call it one thing or another. But for your information, if you don't know what it is, it's the type of ad that follows you around the internet after you visited a site, trying to get you to come back to that particular site. And it's a great strategy, and everyone should be using these types of advertising techniques. Now, this ad, though, triggered a thought. Once I thought of this idea, when I saw that one ad that late night, I ran into my other room, where I have a 20-foot long whiteboard, and I start drawing out this idea that was just ingrained and stuck in my head at that moment. And I was right. After probably 20 or 30 minutes of drawing this big mess on this big 20-foot whiteboard, I discovered that my idea was right. It could be done. And I figured out this. I figured out that I could turn one visitor into 10 or more customers. Now again, one visitor. I didn't say one customer into 10 or more customers. I said one visitor into possibly 10 or more customers. Now I know this sounds crazy, but it's true. And I'm doing it right now as we speak. Now the problem is this. The reason why people haven't thought of this idea before is because people think in very linear terms. They can only see what is right in front of them, and they can't see beyond that many times because that's the way it's always been done. The reality is that there's a much bigger world if we just think about it a little bit differently. Now, most people think that 1 + 1 = 2, but in our case, that's actually not true. At least not in my new marketing strategy. You see, with this new strategy, I could leverage every single website visitor and turn them into multiple customers utilizing this method, and it doesn't even have to be your products. Meaning, I know some of you may be thinking, but I don't even have 10 extra products. And that's okay. Because if you don't have 10 products of your own, you could simply be an affiliate for someone else's products and still make money and still get the sale. That's how simple this program is. It's unlike anything you've ever seen. Now, I know it may sound confusing right now, but I can assure you, every single marketer that I've shared this with realized in seconds that this is a total game changer. This new system has the possibility to increase your income 10 times over, and you only need to set it up one time, and that's it. Now imagine this just for one moment. Imagine leveraging every visitor that comes to your website into 10 or more sales without lifting a single finger. And like I said, you set it up once and then you forget it, and it just starts working for you automatically. Now there's some good news. We are almost, again, the keyword, almost giving this away. As part of my new marketing test, we're letting people get their hands on this game-changing system for only $7. That's it. $7 measly. That's a little bit more than a cup of coffee nowadays. Why are we doing this? Well, we want you as a customer. You see, the reason I'm doing this for only $7 is we know if you like this product, you'll want to get other products from us in the future. And that's a pretty fair exchange. So there is a selfish interest here, and I'm not totally an angel in any regards, but you get a great product for a great price, and hopefully we can work together at some point in the future. So if you want to get your hands on this particular product, it's very simple. Here's all you need to do right now. Simply click the button under this video. You can place your order right now. You'll get instant access to this amazing training, and you can start turning one visitor into 10 customers. There's nothing to lose and everything to gain. Like I said, it's only $7, and you can get started with it right now today. So don't wait. Get your hands on Re-Expansion and start utilizing it today.